Alright, just a short video today about the align and distribute command. A lot of times I don't show my menu bars because I don't like my videos to necessarily be specific to one drawing program or another, but in this case, since we are exploring the use of a command, I am showing them. This happens to be CorelDraw, but Illustrator and Inkscape have similar features. They may have different names, but this is the program I'm familiar with. So let's take a look at these. I have all these objects here scattered sort of randomly around my page, and let's see if we can put these in an orderly fashion using that tool. I'm going to want to make them in a straight line here horizontally, so I'm going to start with that one, and it doesn't matter which one. I want the limits of my pattern to be from here to here. So let's see how this command works. I'm going to marquee select these. I'll go up to align and distribute right here, and then distribute here, and you can see we have vertical and horizontal options, left, center, spacing. It's kind of self-explanatory. We'll pick center, horizontal. That's going to align all these by the center of the object. Okay, so now they're still randomly all over the place, but if I were to put some guides over here, you'd see that these are now equally spaced horizontally. Okay, I don't have to do them all. You kind of can see they're all the same. And now I'm going to align them. Align and distribute are two different commands. They're similar, but they do different things. So now they're distributed evenly. I need to align them. So once again, I'm going to marquee select these. I'll go back up here to align and distribute, and we'll do align centers horizontally. There we go. And that's what we wanted to do, is get them all lined up, equally spaced and on a straight line. So this is a command that you'll find yourself using often, and I recommend you experiment with it. Let's say I have this square and I want to do 10 in a row just like I did here. Instead of drawing them and trying to space them out, I'm just going to copy it, then paste it 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I did that with my Control V on my keyboard. Then I'll hold down Control, which keeps it on the same horizontal line, move it out to here, and now that's the extent of my selection. Now there are 9 squares over here all piled up on one another, so it looks like just one. But if I marquee select this, go back up to align and distribute, and now we're going to use distribute just like we did before. Center, horizontal, and here's an important thing right here, extent of selection. You want to have that selected. That means, of course, left to right is going to be what I have selected, and we'll apply that, and there they are. And so now I don't have to measure anything. I know these are exactly lined up horizontally. I know they're exactly the same space apart. And if you weren't familiar with this tool before, I think you're going to find yourself using it all the time. Experiment with it. Learn, become comfortable with the difference between aligning and distributing. They are similar but different. So that's something you can work on, and I hope your next project goes well.